LPX, Links Proximity Switch. The LPX, Links Proximity Switch, can be used to obtain the mold clamp signal, which is required by the eDART or CoPilot system for certain process values to be calculated, when the mold clamp signal cannot be obtained, using the RJG ID7M, SEQ Link Sequence Module. The LPX includes a set of brackets, cable, and proximity switch with an LED light. The proximity switch and brackets are positioned on the mold, using the provided magnets. Use the magnets to position the bracket on the moving half. Adjust the target bracket as close as possible to the proximity switch, less than 0.15 inches, or approximately 4 mm, when the mold is clamped. Once an appropriate installation is templated, the magnets are removed, and the brackets are permanently installed. Alternately, the proximity switch may be mounted to the moving platen, as shown in this video. When mounted to the machine in this fashion, you will need to reposition the switch when the mold is changed, as the thickness of the mold, or die height, will not be the same. For this setup, use the included magnets so it can be adjusted when the mold is changed. Do not screw the switch into the tie bar. After the brackets are installed, connect the proximity switch through the CoPilot or eDART, using an RJG Links cable. Once the LPX is connected to the eDART or CoPilot system, the LED light will illuminate when the switch detects the change in proximity, meaning when the proximity sensor is within 0.15 inches, approximately 4 mm, of the target bracket. Thank you for watching this video regarding the installation and use of the LPX, Links Proximity Switch. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual, or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com, or by calling 1-800-472-0566.